Welcome to the Cardinal Minute with your host and chair of the University of Louisville Department of Medicine, Dr. Kim Williams.
And good morning. Welcome to a Cardinal Minute. I'm Dr. Kim Allen Williams, chair of medicine here at University of Louisville, and I'm with our grand round speaker and our infectious disease chief, Forrest Arnold. Dr. Schot Hannan actually gave a wonderful discussion this morning of measles and what is going on in this country. Dr. Hannan, can you please give us a 1-minute summary of your talk?
Sure. So I wanted to begin by making sure that everyone watching and listening was familiar with the current public health situation with the resurgence of measles since January of last year. And then I wanted to move on from there to give them a little bit of guidance about measles pathogenesis that they might not have known from their education and training, and then some snippets on clinical presentation and clinical management, followed by some historical nuggets and some takeaways about where measles research is heading and where the public health approach needs to be headed to get measles back under control.
Well, it was really impressive, particularly the risk of vaccination versus unvaccination. Very impressive data. Hopefully everyone will see it and make the decision that's going to be best for their themselves, their families, the community, and the world.
I hope so.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And this has been a Cardinal Minute.